guide to simple and easy cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make quick, tasty and easy moong dal in less than 20 minutes. So let's get started.
I've got here 4 to 5 cups of water, 3/4 cups of skinless mung beans. This is what it looks like. 1/3 cup of Mysore dal or orange lentils, 1/4 teaspoon of Asafoetida or Hing, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 3 tablespoons of ghee, or you can use butter or oil if you like, 1/2 teaspoon each of cumin and mustard seeds, salt to taste, 1 small tomato cut into small pieces, 1 small onion cut into small pieces, 1 sprig of curry leaves finely chopped, and 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric. The first thing we need to do is wash the lentils. Take a big dish, add mung beans and orange lentils and rinse them well 2 to 3 times. To cook the lentils, place a pot on medium heat, add washed lentils, about 3.5 to 4 cups of water, turmeric, chopped tomatoes and 1 teaspoon of salt. Give it a mix, put a lid on and bring it to a boil. When it starts to boil, give it a mix, put the lid back on, leaving a small gap for the steam to escape, lower the heat and cook it for 15 to 20 minutes or until the lentils are cooked, stirring it twice during cooking. Keep an eye on the water level. If the water level goes down, add some hot water according to the consistency of the dal. You can adjust the hot water depending on how thick or thin you want your dal to be. After 15 minutes, check to see if the lentils are soft. If your lentils are not soft, give it a further 5 minutes and check it again. Once the lentils are soft, use a mesher to mesh the lentils. Mix the dal and check the consistency. If the dal is thick, add about extra 1/2 cup to 1 cup of hot water and give it a mix. Taste your salt. You can always add salt according to your taste. I just need a little bit more salt, so add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Give it a mix, put the lid back on, lower the heat and let it simmer while we get the tempering ready. Take a small fry pan, put it on medium heat, add ghee and heat it until the ghee has melted. Add Asafoetida or Hing and give it a mix. Add cumin and mustard seeds, give it a mix and cook it for 30 seconds. Add onions and curry leaves. Give it a mix and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes or until the onions get a light brown color. Turn the heat off and add it to the dal. Give it a mix and turn the heat off. My quick and easy moong dal or mung bean dal is ready and you can serve it with roti, rice, papadum and any pickle of your choice. Enjoy.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy recipes, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.